How to create Meetme account with Facebook. So if you want to create a Meetme account with Facebook, then first of all you need to download the Meetme application, and after downloading you can simply open that. And after opening, now you can sign up to your account by using your email, or you can also sign in with your Facebook. So simply choose sign in with Facebook. So here you need to enter your name and then your email address, and after entering your email address, simply create a password. And after creating your password, scroll down and enter your birthday and then your gender and your location. And after that, tap on OK, and here you can simply tap on sign up free and then tap on OK. And that's it. That's how you create Meetme account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.